Hello, good evening guys. I want to show you the historical of Singapore Sentosa Cove. Singapore Sentosa Cove is very famous. Is originally part of a military base, has a transformed into a luxurious residential and leisure area within Sentosa Island. It was known as Pulau Belakang Mati and has a rich history, including being a fishing village, a strategic military site with forts, and prisoner of war camp. The development of Sentosa Cove as a waterfront residential area began in the 1990 with a master plan inspired by the French seaside town of Fort Grimaud. Here's a more detailed look at the historical early history. Sentosa Island, including what is now Sentosa Cove, was initially known as Pulau Belakang Mati, meaning island of death from behind in Malay. So guys, ang meaning ng Sentosa Cove na known as Pulau Belakang Mati, meaning in English is island of death from behind in Malay. It was inhabited by the Orang Laut people. Later became a military base with forts like Siloso, Kunaot, and Sirapuong, built to guard the harbor entrances. During the World War II, the island played a role in the defense of Singapore and was later used as a prisoner of war camp by the Japanese. Then they redeveloped in 1970s. Sentosa began its transformation into a leisure destination, the Sentosa Development Corporation. It spearheaded the development of Sentosa Cove as high-end residential and marina area in the late 1980s and early 1990s. The Sentosa Cove Development. The Sentosa Cove Development engaged Bernard Spoerri, the architect behind the Fort Grimaud. So guys, this is the architect name as Bernard Spoerri. Envisioning a waterfront living experience, the development included reclaiming the development to connect Burandarat to Sentosa and building high-end residences, a marina, and resort-related facilities. So guys, this is the build. And then this all the yak, guys, all the yak. So one of these yak is my boss having a yak here. They buy a yak here, and they have captain, and then you know why, guys? The driver is the captain is a Malay, and the one who take care of the boat is a Philippine. I know the name. The name is the name. I forgot the name already, but I met her 2 times already. So guys, at the present, Sentosa Cove is now a well-known residential area with a mix bungalows, hillside mansions, and condominiums attracting both local and international buyers, is considered key, a part of Sentosa's identity as a key part of Sentosa's identity as a premier leisure and tourism destination. And then, you know guys, what is the story behind of the Sentosa? In the Singapore Infodaya, Sentosa is currently a resort island of some 500 ha of the south coast of Singapore. It was previously a fishing village, the site of military installation with artillery batteries and prisoner of war camp during the Japanese occupation. Year 1942 and 1945. Who developed the Sentosa Cove? Sentosa Cove is owned by subsidiary of Sentosa Development Corporation, a government statutory board was established to undertake the master planning, infrastructure development project by management and land of sales of Sentosa. So guys, so nice here guys. I'm been here, and then we take the port number 8. So we have the gate here guys. We are walking by this side and then take this gate to this gate number 8 to number 4. So we take the small yak here. So guys, very nice the Sentosa. And the Sentosa, they have also casino, which is a gambling site. Casino here is legal. So we've been before there. We've been there first time. And you know guys, local Singaporean, they have to pay 150 Singapore dollars, while we foreigner are free. So guys, if you come to Singapore and want to play card or whatever into the casino, you just go there and show your passport, because this for foreigner is free, but local Singaporean, they have to pay 150 Singapore dollar. And this inside is a condo, nice architect designer, like this inside. So you can find this into the beachfront, all the beachfront in the Sentosa Cove. So guys, whoever want to visit in Singapore, come and visit us here. Then you have to find this famous Sentosa Cove Island. Thank you guys. Next time I want to share you again the architectural of a friend's house. See you guys, and please like and subscribe my channel, GNC channel at Momula Hanet.